What it do, y'all? G Rose, Roosevelt for Prez. This is the Crypto Hour. And of course, I want to thank you guys for tuning in. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. It is always appreciated. And of course, I love hearing from you guys. I try to respond to every comment, all right? Now, I just wanted to follow up with everyone regarding the Tinyman exploit. I know my video from yesterday, I wasn't as focused because I was literally trading while I was recording, and I just wanted to give you guys some type of update as to what was going on. And also want to just say much love, sending love out to everybody who was actually affected in the exploit. No matter how much you lost, I hope that you are going to get it back. I think I heard a rumor about Borderless Capital going to compensate everybody. Don't quote me on that, but make sure you follow them on Twitter, Borderless Capital, so you can keep up with any type of updates, all right? Also, much love to just the ASA community, Headline, who really took charge and, went into leadership mode. TinyChart as well. ToolsX was another one. On Twitter, I mean, everybody's showing them love, so I just wanted to show them love as well. Anytime something like this happens, especially out of nowhere, going into, the new year, I felt like we had a lot of momentum. And for that to happen out of nowhere, I knew there was going to be some fear out there, and but it wasn't as bad, or it wasn't as much fear as I would have thought, to be honest. And then also much love and shout out to the investor community as well, because I've been sending these like temperature checks out, right? Whether it's on Twitter, Reddit, Facebook groups, to kind of gauge the temperature of the investors. And people are like, hey, you know what? That's just, where we're at as far as DeFi. There's, it's just a bump in the road. We're going to get through it. And that's something, that's an exact sentiment that I can identify with, right? And thankfully, this thing didn't really crash and burn, to be honest, right? We just go back, to be honest, we go back to some of my videos from 2 weeks ago. I was telling you, look into Tiny token at 16 cents, right? Headline at 39 cents, 42 cents. And if you look at the prices of these now, a headline being $1.05, Tiny tokens hovering around about 40 cents. I'm glad that these didn't really crash and burn. We are going to have to wait it out, right? We're going to have to see where we're going from here. Tinyman's contract is immutable, so they can't just go and, change it really quickly, unfortunately. So they're going to have to do a totally new contract. And, we have to wait it out and see. But apparently people are still trading. There was, some confusion about that, whether or not you could still trade, and people are still trading. Of course, there's a lot of volatility. I've halted all my trading. As you see yesterday, I was kind of aggressive on the trading end, so much to where, again, I was trading on camera. I realized headline dropped down to 78 cents while I was talking to you guys. So I have a stomach for volatility, a high risk tolerance, right? And I knew there would be some fear in the market, so I stayed up all night kind of watching the market, seeing what it was going to do. I listened to a few Twitter spaces. I was keeping up with headline as soon as that PDF was furnished. As far as the report, I read the entire thing and said, hey, I'm going to continue trading and take advantage of some of this fear, all right? And that's what a lot of investors do. You want to buy when there's fear out there, but you want to do what you can to mitigate the risk. And again, don't follow me. Do what you want to do, but at the same time, I'm being open and transparent. And I can tell you that I did get in at 88 cents in the headline when it dipped, also 78 cents when it dipped. And I can tell you it's $1.05 right now, fam. Also, I spoke on ToolsX yesterday, right? Now that one was a little more volatile. You had to set the slippage at 5%. I will tell you that I did get 200,000. And if you just go to TinyChart right now and look at the price of it, and then look at the graph, you know that if you just said, hey, G Rose, I'm following you, man. Look, I don't want to do the research. I'm going to just follow you. If you would have did that, you would have made money with me. So not to encourage you to, but I'm just saying, because I feel like there's a lot of people that kind of want to prey on people's downfalls. And some people even were coming into the comments almost happy, like, ha, I told you don't. Yeah. And I'm like, yeah, that's interesting that you would just jump into like old comments and really almost be happy. But then I couldn't even tell them that I made money because it's like, yeah, right, get out of here. Man, come on, you can go. It's public information. I don't want to argue. It's not what I'm here for. I'm here to make money, seriously. And I'm here to help other people make money. So to dead any argument, go to my other videos, right? How to invest in crypto startups like an angel investor, right? Look at the prices. You'll see the prices on the charts, right? And then look at those prices today. This community is strong. This didn't tank. It did not. Actually, some people came up, to be honest, all right? So not that we want to brag about coming up off other people's pain, because we want to respect and be empathetic and sympathetic to people that lost out. But at the same time, as someone who is an investor, someone who spends hours and hours figuring out a way to make money and how to put my people on to make money, you know, there's opportunities that, you know, you have to capitalize on. So again, I've halted all my trading as of now. You do what you want to do. You know, any way you make money has nothing to do with me. All right. I made some moves yesterday. I'm comfortable. Again, I want to thank the entire community for your resilience. All right. This was not a brute force hack. This was a flaw in the contract. And actually, the audit had slightly mentioned something about it. It wasn't in detail. It was very vague. And they were supposed to follow up on it. And for whatever reason, that did not happen. So that's pretty strange. Again, we're going to move forward from this. I'll continue to update you. I just wanted to have a more focused, empathetic video today because, again, there are people that are affected, and we're going to hope that borderless capital is going to compensate those people, okay? Stay tuned as Headline is dropping 2 new dApps. There'll be more information on that. Of course, follow them on Twitter. They're updating constantly. Nexus had tweeted and mentioned something about locking their liquidity with TinySafe, which is TinyChart's liquidity locking feature that they're going to be rolling out. I thought that would be dope, right? I mean, again, all these ASAs, people can say what they want. There's going to be a lot of scams, rug pulls, but again, if you know how to pick them, you know how to do your research, you know that there's quality products. You and the ASA community, more even if you're new coming into this, there are definitely quality products out here that are launching, verified and unverified. All right. Now, I only have 2 or 3 unverified assets right now, and that's probably where I'm going to keep it till further notice. But again, there's plenty of good things out there. You just got to do your research. Proceed with caution, you guys. I don't know. Stop trading on Tinyman for now, for the time being. But if not, do your thing, fam. All right. I'm done for now. I'm done. Shout out to everybody, man. All the followers, all the subscribers. Let me know. I want to check your temperature. How are you guys feeling? Let me know in the comments. Are your spirits down a little bit? Or are you feeling hopeful? Hey, we're going to get this right. All right. All these are micro caps. We got a long way to go. Do not hang your head. All right. We're going to be hopeful. We're going to continue to do our thing. And I ain't going nowhere. Y'all got to get used to me. And I'm going to keep giving you headline updates, tiny updates, Nexus, any new project that I find I feel like we can make money on, I'm going to bring to you guys, all right? Anyway, y'all, much love. Happy New Year. Make sure you like, comment, subscribe. I want to hear from you guys. G Rose, Roosevelt for Prez. This is the Crypto Hour. Peace.